Hello, my name is Isabel Monzo, and the international sport I chose was sepak takraw. This sport was originated in Southeast Asia and was primarily influenced by China. There are several different Southeast Asian countries that have made different adaptations of this sport. So the country I chose to focus on was Thailand. Here we have a brief history of sepak takraw and um, some of the important dates that had a big influence on this sport. Next, we have a section on how to play the sport. So basically, this is how the game is set up, what is used, the equipment that is used, and also we talk about how to make a point and what will cost a team a point. And then overall, we have at the end how the team can win. Here is a picture right here of the main homepage of the sport. It's called Asian Sepak Takraw Federation. And then we have a summary of my thoughts on this sport and doing this project, and then the resources I used to gather information that I needed for this newsletter. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.